In this example, we're going to talk about the AutoSum tool. So I'd like to add up this block of cells, and I'd also like it to add across to column F and down to row 12. So while I have it selected on the Home tab, I'll go up to AutoSum and I'll click the drop-down portion and choose Sum, and it quickly added this information. I'll do the same thing for average. I'll select the values I want to have averaged. I'll include the blank column to the right and the blank row below. Go back to the drop-down, choose average. I can do the same thing for count. And notice it says count numbers, doesn't count text or blanks. And I'll do the same thing to find the maximum values and the minimum values. You'll find the AutoSum function in two places, on the Home tab and also on the Formulas tab, and it works exactly the same way.